Okay, I figured I'd make a video about doing this because I'm a little bit concerned. As you guys know now, I got air suspension, or I will be getting it Sunday. So the rear, I am not really concerned with, really at all. It has a lot of space to tuck. The front is where I'm concerned about. I'll show you. This is absolutely filthy. My parents just built a house in the country and I have to drive through some mud sometimes. So let's see, right here is really where I'm concerned about. I'm concerned about that area because that is really what's going to, when my tire goes up, it's gonna hit that. So I saw a little hack that I thought I would try. It is undoing this screw right here, taking out the little stopper thing that you screw the thing out, I can't think of what it's called, and then tucking this. This is gonna be a huge learning process. It's going to be an adjustment as needed. I don't wanna do too much. So I'm starting here and then I will adjust after I get the air suspension on. So real quick, I'm going to take this little bolt out right here. It uses a T20, which I have right here. I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna show you what I do. All right, so I got it both in there. This one was right here. It is almost completely flush, or it is very flush compared to how it was. This one over here, I accidentally just ruined that piece, which isn't that big of a deal. You can probably get one of those at Lowe's or Home Depot for nothing. But this kind of popped it a little bit, so I need to take my rubber mallet and just kind of like pound it back in place slightly. But that should help substantially. This frees up so much more space. And again, the whole thing is just a game of adjustments. So after I get my air suspension on, I'll be able to dial it in even more.